Ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. My name is Xuqing Chen, and my research delves into the cognition and the interpretation of the Chinese pentatonic scale, aiming to uncover cognitive difference and educational values across various cultures. As a Guzheng performer, I aspire to blend perspectives from music anthropology and music psychology in this study, contributing novel research funding to the field. Today, I will present to you the detail of my master thesis titled Cognitive and Cultural Dimensions of the Chinese Pentatonic Scale, the integrated study of semi-structured interviews and music analysis. In the experimental design, I employed two qualitative methods, namely semi-structured interviews and music analysis. In the semi-structured interviews, I selected three categories of interviewees regarding the Chinese pentatonic scale: musicians, music educators, and music learners. During the experiment, I had the privilege of interviewing a music composer, which means that his perception, theory, and cognition of the pentatonic scale in terms of composition will provide excellent data. The interview process was truly exciting. Below I will present some interview details and live recordings. The meticulously designed experimental process and multidimensional data collection strategies enable us to fully understand the cognitive differences of the pentatonic scale across various cultural backgrounds. We utilized the NVivo 12 Plus software for qualitative coding, delving deeper into the qualitative data. In the selection of music analysis pieces, I chose two musical samples that represent both traditional Chinese music and modern music, Lo Shui and the Butterfly Lovers. In the music analysis, I not only used the analytical framework of traditional Chinese music but also applied the Western Schenkerian analysis to explore the role of the pentatonic scale as well as the emotional hues and cognitive interpretations it conveys to humans. Using NVivo 12 for qualitative analysis, we discovered that perceptions of the pentatonic scale vary significantly among different cognitive frameworks. Traditional culture was a key theme in interviews, showing that participants see a strong link between the pentatonic scale and traditional heritage. Musician D pointed out the scale's deep connection to personal growth within cultural contexts. The frequent mention of Oriental exoticism shows how the scale is perceived in cross-cultural exchanges as having distinct Eastern qualities. Additionally, the emphasis on philosophical and historical roots underscores the scale's deep ties to Chinese thought and history. Together, these aspects highlight the cultural roots and cross-cultural appeal of the pentatonic scale, showing its connection to Chinese cultural and philosophical values and its entrenched place in personal and collective memory. Our research findings indicate that the cognition and interpretation of the pentatonic scale in China are not only based on the structure and function of music itself, but are also deeply influenced by traditional Chinese culture and philosophy. The integration of the pentatonic scale with the theory of the five elements links music to nature, the human body, and social order, reflecting the pursuit of harmony and balance in Chinese culture. In contrast, Western music theory views the pentatonic scale as a simplified system with its functionality and tonal relationships considered simpler than those of the heptatonic scale. Western harmonic systems and tonal music practices emphasize the functionality of chords and tonal centers, and the application of the pentatonic scale in Western music is usually related to specific musical styles or ethnic music elements, rather than deep cultural and philosophical connections.
Bye bye.